Hey gang, it is Tuesday, February 12th, 2019, and I wanted to do something again a little bit different today. As I've said before, this channel is going to cover a variety of topics and subjects. Today I was at Ollie's, which is a discount chain. I believe they're nationwide, I'm not sure, but they do closeouts. You know, they buy a bulk product from somewhere that, I don't know what stores it could be, and then they discount them and resell them. So while I was there looking around, I found a stool, and my wife has been looking for a stool for her craft room so that she can sit down and do her different things with her cricket and her crafts and such. So I showed her a picture of it and she said yes. So let me show you what I found. This. Now this is a pretty cool looking little stool, and it was $39.99, and it's all metal. And it's height adjustable, and it spins. So that's going to be perfect for her craft room. So let's open up the box and see what's in it. Do not exceed 250 pounds. It says so right there. That's pretty nice looking, actually. Looks like a big symbol. Pretty simple instruction sheet. I think I can put this together. I hope so. Little bag of hardware, which is, the bag says it's recyclable. I recommend you do that. Same with this bag, also recyclable. I've been making a big push on that personally in our home and around the garage. Cylinder post. And there's a seat base. Looks like it takes 4 screws. Pretty simple. And as you see, this has a footrest on it. That's the adjustable part of the center post. That's your adjustment lever for up and down. So, let's see what the instructions say. Pretty simple. Don't lose the screws. You can see it does come with an Allen head bolt, and of course they supply an Allen wrench. I'm just going to put the washers on the bolts. Then I'm going to use the plastic to hold or to protect the surface of the seat. And according to the instructions, that is the first step, is mounting this. Oh, wait a minute. There's an arrow on the front here, but there is no front shown on the seat itself. I guess they're just trying to tell you that there is a front. And that would make sense since your footrest is at the front. I do recommend you start all the bolts before you tighten any down. 2, you install the center post into the base plate and you remove this little cap. It appears, yeah, this is tapered, and so when this goes in, this has a slight taper at the bottom. Kind of self-locks in there, which is nice. And it does say to remove this little cap. We'll do that. And that exposes a little push button, which is a release for this to go up and down. And now, basically step 3, pretty simple. Install the upper half on the lower half, and then step 4 is not really a step at all, it just shows you a picture of it assembled. Well, it goes up pretty high. That's nice. Oh, that's pretty cool. As you can see, it's got a little bounce to it so that when you sit down it doesn't jolt your spine. Swivel's nice. I'm gonna have to get one of these for the garage. Very cool. So there you have it. I thought it would be something interesting to show you this nice little stool, and I may have to get one out here for the garage. Seriously, that's pretty nice. So as usual, thank you for watching, and if you would, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and we'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves. Step 2. Putting the center post onto the base plate, and you remove this little cap. Step 2, you install the center post Well, I hope that was useful for you, at least entertaining if nothing else, but just thought I'd share that with you. Pretty cool little stool, and I really am thinking I might have to get one for myself. As usual, thanks for watching.